Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Autel Charge to troubleshoot EV charger connectivity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Autel Charge login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the troubleshoot section on the dashboard. Select EV charger connectivity from the options available. Review the displayed issues related to your charger. Follow the on-screen prompts for troubleshooting steps. Check your network connection if prompted. Ensure that your charger is powered on and properly connected. If issues persist, consult the user manual for further instructions. Consider reaching out to customer support if necessary. Document any error codes or messages for reference. Follow up on any recommendations provided by the system. Revisit the troubleshooting section as needed for additional guidance. Log out of your account after completing the troubleshooting process. Close the browser window to secure your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.